Hey guys, this is Siddharth from Bangalore. I was searching for a good Gypsy and I couldn't find anywhere actually in Bangalore and surrounding that. Then I found out through MK Filming and in YouTube. Then I came to know Ammyfied Customs. I came to Chikmagalur. Vehicle is really good. I think you have seen this video. It's really nice. It has come out really good and the condition is really good too. And I would suggest anyone to get Gypsy from Ammyfied Customs. And the thing is, it will take time. You have to wait, but it's worth it. I would give a thumbs up for this Gypsy. Thank you.